Have you ever dreamed to own a property in Spain at the Costa Blanca? Then I have the right property for you. In Playa Flamenca we are today, and I have the pleasure to introduce you to a lovely, beautiful ground floor apartment. Please follow me and I'll show you more. On this property you can park on plot, as you can appreciate on the video, so you have a spacious front garden which lays directly into the main entrance. What I really like of this property is the backyard this ground floor bungalow has to offer. The property also offers a storeroom where you can store everything you don't need inside the house, offering also a second access to the garden. So this is a perfect outside space for your daily living.
A popular and well-connected area on the Costa Blanca. Our daily amenities are close by, including shops, restaurants, markets, and the Zenia Boulevard shopping center. Several golf courses, such as Villa Martin and Campo Mar, are just minutes away. Beautiful beaches like La Zenia, Playa Flamenca and Campo Mar Beach are also nearby, perfect for enjoying the Mediterranean lifestyle. This location offers comfort, convenience, and the best of Spanish coastal living.
Right, it's time to show you the inside of the property, starting with the living area, which lays directly into the conservatory, which has been glazed in, offering also direct access to the garden. The living area is equipped with a fireplace, electric fireplace, offering a nice warm feeling in the cold winter days. Also, additionally, you have an electric heater fixed on the wall. This is the kitchen, offering a breakfast bar, also a marble countertop. In the price included is all the white goods, such as the oven, the vitro, extractor, and here at the back we have the washing machine and the electric water boiler. So now it's time to show you the bedrooms and the bathroom. So this is the main bedroom to my right hand side, offering a double bed and also equipped with ceiling fan and air conditioning unit. To my left we have the second guest room, also with the fitted in wardrobe. So now I want to show you this space here, which I mentioned earlier at the beginning of the video, which is the glazed in terrace. This space is perfect, especially in the winter. Due to the south-facing orientation, the sun comes in straight in from the morning. It heats up this space here, so it makes this ideal for your morning coffee or for the breakfast. Also, as I mentioned, you can access directly from here into the garden. The community also offers 3 communal pools, but we're filming today the biggest one of the 3. The pool is surrounded by natural grass and obviously palm trees. So if you enjoyed the video, click the thumbs up, click on the subscribe button below so we can create more digital content for you. See you next time. Ciao!